Stop! If you're watching videos from 2024 or 2025 about Profit Pals Pro, you are looking at a dead system. CivicEdge, Justin, they're showing you the old version 1.0 engine. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the version 2.0 power engine and showing you why $200 Tier 3 commissions are now the new standard. Look at the screen. That's $51,500 in total personal earnings. This isn't a screenshot from a year ago. This is the live 2.0 dashboard. Notice the split. Over $20,600 in team bonuses alone. That is the power of the new reverse one-up logic that the version 1.0 system simply couldn't handle. Now, I'm going to be 100% real with you. These results, they are not typical. You don't just turn on an engine and wake up to $50,000. The difference between the builders and the non-builders in Profit Pals Pro is consistency. This ledger shows what happens when you put in the hard work, stay the course, and treat this like a real business. If you're looking for a lottery ticket, keep scrolling. But if you're ready to build a legacy with the version 2.0 system that actually rewards your effort, then watch this next part closely. The version 2.0 engine doesn't just track sales, it captures income leakage. See, in this business, you can't keep what you don't own. If someone on your team makes a Tier 3 sale but they only own Tier 1, they don't get that $200 commission. It leapfrogs past them and hunts for the next person who actually owns that level. That's how we hit these $50,000 milestones, by being positioned at the top so the system has nowhere else to send that money but to you. The old guard will tell you it's all about manual recruiting. They're wrong. In 2026, it's about automation and positioning. If you aren't at Tier 3 Masterclass, you are bleeding money. My version 2.0 engine actually alerts you to income leakage in real time. If you see a red box on your dashboard, it means you're losing money to me or someone above you. Don't be the person providing the leapfrog, be the person catching it. You have two choices. You can listen to the old guard logic and struggle with slow pass-ups, or you can plug into the version 2.0 power engine right now. Click the link in the description. If you see my name, Jerry Gonzalez, as your sponsor, you're getting the exact system you see here. Let's stop the leakage and start the $200 commissions. I'll see you on the inside.